Let's say you want to extract specific data from this purchase order PDF document using extract.ai. Once you receive an email with attached files containing the extractions, instead of saving each attachment manually, you want them to be saved automatically to your chosen OneDrive folder. To achieve this automation, we'll be utilizing Power Automate. So first, let's set up Power Automate, where we'll create a new sequence for automated cloud flow. Let's name this flow Save Extractions. Our flow's trigger is Outlook, when a new email arrives, so we'll choose this one. Let's customize our parameters. We want to define the sender as well as only the emails with attachments. So let's set the sender as no reply at extract.ai and the attachment to true by choosing yes. Now, let's add a new action. We want to make sure that every new attachment is saved, so what we need is a control. The control we need is called Apply to Each. We should select an output from previous steps, which in our case is the metadata from our received email. That's why we want to click on this lightning and select Attachments. Inside the Apply to Each loop, we'll add a OneDrive Create File action to save all the attachments sent from Extract AI app. Under Folder Path, choose a folder on your OneDrive where you would like all the attachments to be saved in. I choose my extract.ai files folder. For a file name, we want it to be the same as the attachment's name. And for file content, that will be the content of the attachment. Before we test if our new automation works, let's save it. So now every attachment coming from the no reply at extract.ai email will be sent directly to extract.ai files folder. Now let's try it out. Forward your customer's email with the PDF purchase order to the unique extract.ai email address. If you don't know how to find it, just go to the extract.ai app, click on Templates, and find Purchase Order. Now, copy and paste the unique email. Click Send and wait for the extractions to arrive in your inbox. Now that we have received the email with our attachments, let's check if they were saved to our designated folder as well. Great, we have all of our 3 files saved right where we wanted. We can see that the purchase order sent by our customer wasn't saved in the folder, only the attachments from the email address we specified. Subscribe for more videos on how to automate your workflow and click the link in the comments to start your free trial now.